Let's see. Okay, so let's take a look. I'm going to start just with the 1 hour chart today of ES, and I think what we're getting is a leading diagonal forming to the upside. So off the low we saw on the 7th, we've got an ABC up for this 1, an ABC down for the 2, A, B, and I think we're in the final throes of the C of 3. It may have completed at this morning's high. We just missed the 28.96 by a whisker, which is the 123.6 extension for the off the low. So normally for the 3 in a diagonal, I look for the 1.0 or the 123.6. If we've seen the top of the 3, look for support between 28.74 and 28.81, with the most likely being 28.78. So you can see this on the 1 hour chart. It is posted in the forum. We should then get a move up to 29.04 to 20, I think 29.08 to 9 would be better. And the reason for that, that's the 1618 to 1764 extension, the pink fibs here for the diagonal. But if you come across to the right and look at these brown fibs, that's the length of this one, the brown one, which is a sub-minuet degree for those of you that like it theoretically correct, as projected off the bottom of the sub-minuet 2. And we look for either the 38.2 extension or the 618. Now in this pattern, it projects 2 at the 1764. That lines up with this 38.2 here. So 2908 to 2909 is the high probability target for the 5. We should then get a deep and swift 2 at the end of a diagonal, and that gives you a swing long trade. So you could take a small futures position or buy SSO, the 2 times leveraged ETF on the SPX, or both. And I'm looking for a move to north of 3,000 next, and I'm looking for that move to extend. If you look at the 3 of 3 of 3 on the daily chart of the SPX on the site, normally I'd have that at the orange 123.6 fib, and I've placed it above there because the fibs on the subwaves project to higher. So I'm expecting an extended third wave, and I want to see that in the ES if we're going to get all the way up to the 3,300 area for the ideal target, which is the 2.0 extension on the weekly SPX chart on the site. So that's what I'm looking at this morning in the ES. And if we just come across to the day trading chart here, there's the 3 expectation. I think we may already have got it in. If so, this looks like an A, B, C, or a 1, 2, 3. We get a 4, 5 down to the lower blue line. That would be for the A wave of this 4. You're going to get a retrace back up towards the orange line, and then a move down in the C wave of this 4. And the fibs are on the day trading chart. So 28.78 to 28.82 is the likely area for the 4, and that gives you your roadmap for today in terms of day trading the ES.